What is the air conditioning button in the car used for? If this function is used well, driving is fuel efficient and comfortable. After many people buy a car, they are confused when they see so many buttons in the air conditioning area. I tell you today. First, turn on the air conditioner in summer. We turn on the air conditioner. Open the inner loop. This kind of cooling effect is superb. Second, turn on the air conditioner in winter. Turn off the air conditioner and turn on the external circulation. This way, the glass won't frost easily, and it's also very fuel efficient. Turn on the air conditioner on rainy days. We turn on the air conditioner. Open the outer loop. Adjust the blowing mode to glass blowing at the same time. This way, the glass will never fog up again. Fourth, turn on the air conditioner when there is a traffic jam. We turn on the air conditioner. Open the inner loop. In this way, the exhaust gas from outside the car will never enter the car again. I am Zhao Mei. Follow me. There is more car knowledge on the homepage. What are you doing? Why are you smashing someone's glass?
What did you say? This is my own car, okay? My car door won't open. I still have my phone inside. I want to smash the car window and take out my phone.
Then you don't need to smash the glass. Give me the key. I'll teach you a trick. There is a small mechanism on the car key. There is a mechanical key hidden inside. We can take out the mechanical key by gently sliding it with our hands. Then we find this small hole under the door handle. Use the car key to pry gently. A mechanical lock core can appear. Then we insert the key. Twist it gently. The car door opens.
Oh! Wow, you are so awesome. Why? Why can't my car start?
It's just that the car key is out of power. Our cars can all be emergency started. There is usually an emergency sensing area under the steering wheel. It's this sign. Let's stick the car keys on it. And then start again. Started successfully.
So simple. These functions are all hidden. I don't even know if you don't tell me.
There are many hidden functions in the car. Some can save money. Some can save lives. First, the brakes suddenly failed on the road. Don't panic at this time. We just need to hold the electronic handbrake. Don't let go. This way the vehicle can stop steadily. Second, the car can't be put into gear. Don't rush to call a tow truck. Don't waste money. Let's take off this dust cover. There is a small yellow button inside. Let's insert the car key downwards. This way you can easily shift into gear directly. Third, the screen freezes after being used for a long time. Don't rush to the repair shop at this time. We just need to hold down the menu key and the power key. Don't stay loose. Such a screen, it will force a restart. You see, the restored one works just as well as a new one. Fourth, it can save your life at critical moments. We're stuck in the car and can't get out. Don't panic. Let's fold down the back seats. Climb into the trunk. There is an emergency escape switch on the trunk door panel. We gently push the small white button with our hands. You can then open the trunk for an emergency escape. Have you learned it? My name is Mei. Follow me. There is more car knowledge on the homepage.
Changing engine oil every 5,000 kilometers has deceived many of our driving friends. Remember, the repair shop really likes you to change the oil every day. When you buy a new car, he gives you engine oil as a gift. When the time comes for maintenance, the labor fee will be more expensive than your engine oil. These are all traps. But today, I will teach you how to change engine oil correctly. If it's convenient for you. By the way, give me a red heart. I wish you great fortune. You remember, mineral engine oil must be replaced after 5,000 kilometers in urban areas. If you're driving on the highway, it doesn't matter if you hit 8,000. If it is semi-synthetic engine oil, it needs to be replaced after 8,000 kilometers in urban areas. If you run long distance, you can run 10,000 kilometers. If you choose fully synthetic motor oil, it can run 10,000 to 12,000 kilometers in urban areas. Follow me and I will answer your car questions.
There are several small functions hidden in our car. Even many experienced drivers with 10 years of experience may not know this. First, look at our car light switches. There is an auto function here. When turned on, our headlights will automatically turn on and off. Second, look at our central rearview mirror. There's a little wrench on the back of it. This is a manual anti-dazzle function. Finally, look at our fuel tank logo. The direction the little arrow points to is the direction where the fuel tank cap sits. Share little car knowledge every day. Thank you for your attention.